Hi, I'm Robert Herdan, owner of West Oaks Tile, and today I'm going to show you how to copy angles to tile. Okay, so when you're going to copy the angles to your tile, depending on the situation that you're in, most of the time it's because you've laid out the floor on a 45-degree angle in your home, and so you're going to go out and run into cut pieces. So what I do is I measure from the wall to the inside part of your spacer and get a set measurement for that. Once I have this measurement down, then I'll go ahead and mark the tile and take my square and draw a 45-degree angle using my square on the tile. Now, sometimes you may want to duplicate pieces over and over again. Most of the time for me, that's when I'm doing a half 45, which is very simple. I don't even need to mark the tile. I just put the tile corner to corner on my cutting board, score it, break it, and do that process over and over until I have as many pieces as I need. When I'm duplicating a tile from another tile, what I will do is go ahead and place that tile on top of the tile. Once I've done that, I will pull it back about a 1/16 of an inch. And this is just to make room for the pencil mark. And when you draw your line across the tile, then go ahead and score it and break it, you will find that now it will be the same size. If you just go ahead and try to mark the tile with the tile being exactly on there, you will find that the tile will be bigger. And since you're trying to duplicate this and you want the pieces to be the same size, this is the method that I have found best. However, it's in my experience that most homes, the walls are not very straight or square. So making too many duplicate pieces usually means that you're going to end up with a lot of waste. So I would recommend not doing more than 2 or 3 duplicate pieces at any one time. And as you put them in, you'll be able to see how it fits. If it doesn't fit, don't throw out the piece because you'll have a lot more cuts. Chances are you'll be able to use that piece some other place. I'm Robert Herdan, owner of West Oaks Tile, and I've just shown you how to copy angles to tile.